Hello guys, this is Drone Effects, and I thought I'd just put this out there. We're going to do a boxing as of late. A lot of you may or may not know I just recently become affiliated with Best Buy. So what they do is I get credits for stuff that's bought and stuff like that. So I took that money and used it to do this, to get this. This is to go with my off-road side of my channel. You know, I do drones and I do ATV rides and UTV rides as well now. So this is something that I thought it'd be really good for my channel. So we're gonna open it up. Do unboxing here. We'll get this opened up. We'll check it out. Okay, here we go. And there's my invoice. Right here they are. Get this out of the way here. Right here they are. These are Midland walkie talkies, 36-mile range. I thought they would be good for when we're on the side by side, just in case I need to communicate with a riding friend, because we got we go in groups. That way we can talk back and forth when we're riding together. And there's actually two of them here, as you can see. First thing I'll show you is the box here, of course. It's a Midland, little on the back. It talks about the description of the units and what they are. It's a Midland, so it's a good name brand walkie-talkie setup. Alright, get this out of the way here. Then we'll get these opened up. Okay, let's open these fellers up here, like this. I always get my camera angles messed up. There we go, that way you guys can see it. Open this up. Let's see here, we'll start down here. We have the instruction manual, of course. These are your clips for your walkie-talkies. Let's see here. This is so you can charge it when you're on the road. Or you can use a cigarette lighter, power port. This is your charge base form. We've got some things here. Hopefully I don't cut the wires. Let's see here. We'll cut this. We'll cut this tape here. And I'm trying to cut the wires. I'm just going underneath the wires. These are your so you can put them on your head so you can talk and drive, which is kind of cool. Didn't realize it couldn't that way. There's that. There's two of them, of course, because we got two radios. Here's the second one, and this is your mic and your earbud right here, so you can drive and talk. Okay, then we're going to here. This is a power transformer to plug into here so you can charge your walkie-talkies. Then we got, let's see here, we got, this should be 2 batteries. They give you extra batteries. Extra battery pack, right there's a battery pack. And here's the other battery pack. It's really simple. We got 2 battery packs now, and all the clips. These are the walkie-talkies. We've got 2 of them. There's one. And actually, I don't think those are extra. I think those are the actual battery packs. I was wrong. there's the other one. So I'm going to set that aside like this, like this. There we go. These are the two walkie-talkies then. Obviously, these are just got stickers on the covers. So we'll open them up. That's how we open up right there. Yeah, these are the battery packs for it. So let's see here. Figure this out. Please switch to high power to get maximum range. See here how these hook in. Let's see here, we're really working now. Yeah, they go just like that, I think. Just like that. Then we hook him into here like so. Like so. And got a dog who's just annoying the heck out of me right now. Then we'll get the other one. Do the same thing. Hook it up. Plug in there. Hook up our battery. We gotta switch to high power. And it goes just like so. And we hook that up into there. And we kind of push them down on there. There we go. Then we're gonna take. I don't recommend doing this, but there's a film on these here, and it's really hard to get off. I tried. There we go. Ooh, just like that. It says switch to high power when you for maximum range. So then we go this one. And these are multi-channels, so that I can do this without scratching up to get the face will be all set. There we go. And that's what they look like. And now we will, these clips right here, they kind of lock onto it. It's like so. There's one. There's two. Let's see here. You got SOS function. Let's see here. Press to talk. Mic. This is where you plug your mic in. We'll have to play around with them. We can plug these mics and earbuds into them so you don't have to wear them. So let's see here if we can figure out how to turn them on. And that'll be our next part of our procedure here. There we go. There's one on. Turn this one on. They're both on channel 1. But they're multi-channeled, obviously, so that you can talk back and forth to each other. So, but this is a quick review or unboxing of these. I will do a review down the line, and I will also post the link to where in Best Buy that you can get these in the description. They were like $80, so with shipping you'd probably be close to $100 for the set. But yeah, I will post a link in the description, where you can get them and that. So if you guys want to go there and order them, feel free to, and I'll see you on my next review / unboxing. I'm gonna do then I will do a review on this as I get to play with them. And they are Midland GMRS two-way radio system. They're multi-channels, so you can set them to wherever you need to be. So if you have somebody that has a set of these two, they may not be Midlands, you can get on their channel. If you're in a big group going for a ride, you can get on their channel and you can all communicate on your side-by-sides, so, or ATVs, whatever you want to use them for. So this is a quick unboxing of these, the Midland walkie-talkies, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.